counting the number of people living in Rwanda. In Rwanda, population census is carried out after every 10 years. The last population census was in 2022. This means that the next population census will be in 2022. Today, people class at Happy Kids School organized the student census where we are going to count and carry out the census. Here are the forms including all information we will be collecting from students. I'm Gamzaraki, the coordinator leader, alongside Principal Saira and Unu. Here are enumerators who are going to count and carry out today's activity.
Today's student census will be collecting the following data: student personal information, address, home address, parents, section, education background. Example, we will ask you previous schools attended, parents, parents, and also closing section. Let's see what happens. At the end, census leaders and enumerators will work together to announce the findings results from the student census. Thank you.
Okay, now we may get to today's activity so as we can start counting what the student. Yes? Okay, deploy yourselves there whenever this.
You are male or female?
we are going to the last stage, which is called result production stage. Let's give Skyra to say the result production stage.
Result production stage, this is the last stage of population census where all information that was collected is brought together. In that way, we are going to announce to the general public the findings, results we got from students' centers placed together at Happy School. The student centers was carried out in upper primary classes where we managed to count all students and other school materials in the classrooms. Upper primary, we have 59 females and 44 males. Both together they are 103. The total is 103 students in upper primary. We also identified classroom materials. In upper primary, they are 64 desks and 5 tables and 8 chalkboards. We appreciate your kind attention. The census has been really amazing, and we can't wait to see us growing up so as to participate in countries' population census.
So, what motivated you to participate in the census?
Thank you, journalist. I wanted to know people who are attendant and those ones who are not present, and some counters, some chalkboards, and some female and male.
Thank you for answering. Question number 2. Why do you think it is important to carry out population census in our country?
Because it helps us to know people in the citizen and people in the world.
Thank you.
Okay, good.